that some in the government have been speaking of auction, some in the government have been speaking of filing a review petition, some in the government have been speaking of forming a corporation, and some others in the government have even spoken of a need for ordinance to restart mining. But basically, no action has been taken in the last 3 months to restart mining operations in the state. This reflects a state of policy paralysis, reflects the state of administrative collapse, and more specifically, as the Chief Minister is not here, and the so-called Cabinet Advisory Committee is just reduced to be a farce, that after the 7th February judgment, over 3 months have elapsed, and in terms of Supreme Court rules, the period of filing a review is only 30 days. There is some section of the press today has reported one minister saying that we will file a review petition, and the go-ahead has come from across the seas. Therefore, this government has to resign, as they have been exposed as being unable and incapable. There is nothing called as Cabinet Advisory Committee as a substitute for a Chief Minister in his absence. It is not within the ambit of the Constitution. You see, the whole problem is the Chief Minister doesn't trust any of his cabinet colleagues. So loose it has been spoken. No, it is within the scheme of law. Where? Where do you find that? Why aren't you showing to the people? Where do you find that? Point it out. Coal issues are low. Nationalizations are there. सारखे मरे. कितल्या खासदारांनी या बीजेपीन पार्लमेंटान उलयले? तू केन्ना बीजेपीच्या खासदाराक पार्लमेंटान उलयता तो आयकला? आयकला? तो एकलो नॉर्थ गोवा एमपी 20 वर्सांक आसा. ताचो आवाज कसो रे पार्लमेंटान म्हणून कोणाक खबर ना. नरेंद्र सावयकरान कितले गोंयचे इश्यू पार्लमेंटान घेतले आये ताणे सांगचे.